Hi guys, VST here, Velian Tech. I want to show you something that I think is amazing. This is the Fang Synth, which by the way costs €2 and it's free today, probably tomorrow, and then it's gonna be over. What is so fancy about the Fang Synth? It's just an application like a synth. We have a lot of them, but this one, guys, is based on motion control, which means that every time I pick the phone in my hand, it's going to use my sensors like the accelerometer, etc. And all of these movements are going to be linked with some parameters. And that's, I think, quite unique. Okay, let me show you. You need to see and hear that. Yeah, and then decide if you want to download this for free. Alright, so that's the tune, guys. I just loaded the tune. See what happens when I take the phone in my hand. Are you ready? Amazing. It's really amazing, guys, and of course there are plenty of options. So let me just try to load. There are really tunes called default presets. I'm gonna load some others so that you can just see the different sound this synthesizer is able to produce. Basically, you really have here the main elements of a virtual synthesizer. You have the sequencer, right, where you can just go and enter notes. Then you have key. You can try to play some of these key, of course, manually. Then you have the arpeggiator when you can select the notes, the rates, and etc. And then, of course, you have a lot of effects, the oscillators, and all of that, guys. But we are not here for that. What is really exciting is that this thing here is really motion controlled by the accelerometer. So it means that every time you have your phone in your hand, you can tweak the sound like a theremin. And that's very, I would say, very astonishing. Let me just try to show you some more examples, guys. You have here the how-to, by the way. You can go and really explore all of this, and please do so. There is also a very complete tutorial on the Fang Synth Akunull Systems website. But okay, now for the sake of the video, click load. Okay, let's just try to load a preset. Click the play button. All right, see. I right now can just go and, for example, put more reverb. See? All right. Or I can go and select here different filters. Or I can just take the phone in my hand and now listen, guys, it's gonna get interesting. See, let me just try to show you some more examples, guys. The options really are unlimited. Let's choose that one. Okay, I have a feeling I'm gonna like this. So now, first the manual controls. Like I told you, you can add the reverb here. See, gonna change the sound. Or add some form of filters. Or of course go here and just change the frequency. Okay, and guys, I can also go here and try to play manually. So if I now stop the sequencer, right, sequencer means all the notes that are entered here are just played in a loop. I can just go to keys and play it manually. Okay, that's a very low note. Let's go for a high note. Alright, and by the way, you can also record the tunes you're playing, guys. Now, for the sake of the video, I'm just gonna hit play, and I'm gonna show you how I'm going to manipulate this just by using the motion sensor. really amazing. Let me show you one more tune, guys, and I really think you're gonna fall in love with the Fang Synth from Akunull. Remember, today and tomorrow for free, so let's just hit the play button here. Unlimited options, guys. Alright, just please download it, play with this, you might end up liking it. Alright guys, really hope you like videos like this, trying to give you always the best stuff. This time of course it's even free. So yeah, that's the developer here, Akunull. This is the synthesizer, Fang. Link's gonna be down below into the video description, guys. Please, you and your family stay safe until we meet in one of my next videos. And with that said, I'm gonna load the Heaven S3Q, which is my favorite by far preset, and tell you goodbye while I'm playing with this. Woo!